How to use ambient music in Control Center on your iPhone. So firstly, slide down to open your Control Center and now click on the plus in left upper corner area. And next step is to click on Add a control at the bottom. And we want to find the ambient music, which is here. You can choose between 4 options: sleep, chill, productivity, and well-being. I'm gonna choose, for example, the productivity option. So the icon was added here, and now you can finish the process. This is my new control center icon, and if you click it, it will turn on the ambient music on your iPhone. So there are many of them. You can simply play it and switch between tracks. So that's how you can use it. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing and see you next time.